guys, welcome to my channel. This DIY turned out super cute and it is a perfect summer activity. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe because it really supports my channel. Anyway, let's get to the video. So I was trying to look for a video idea and I remembered this headboard that I had started painting in May. It rained a week after I started it, so I've honestly forgotten about it until now. So in order to be really aesthetic, I gotta match the cottagecore look, but like, it's 90 degrees out here, so I have no idea what we're gonna wear. So I basically wear this outfit every single day of summer, so I'm gonna try and find something new. So if you don't know what cottagecore is, it's kind of like this woodsy fairy aesthetic with a lot of like country vibes. But don't imagine like a gross barn, kind of more like a pretty cottage. So the outfits are very simple and dainty, just with a bunch of pretty flowers or simple designs. So my closet's really like packed full of clothes because I haven't grown a size since the 6th grade. But I still don't think I have anything that's really aesthetic. As you can see, I just have like jeans, shorts, and just t-shirts. I don't have anything like really flowery and dainty. I think the closest thing I have to cottagecore is kind of like my flannels, but it's 90 degrees outside and I am not about to wear a flannel. Out of my entire closet, this is the only thing that slightly resembles a floral pattern, so I have no idea what we're gonna wear. So I couldn't find anything that really woodsy and aesthetic, but I did find this giant flower crown I made like a year ago, so that's like all we got. So I'm not about to wear this because it is really uncomfortable, but it can just sit there and be pretty next to all my paints. So these are all the paints I have. I have yet to find a green that doesn't just dry clear. It's hard to see, but I went ahead and sketched my design in the wood and now I'm going to paint over it. So my wonderful father suggested that I paint inside since it's 90 degrees, and so he moved it for me, so thank you, Dad. I finished painting and this is what we have. I put this outside in my backyard, and now we're making a real garden bed for the bedpost. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for new videos every Friday.